Both cormorants and Indian darters are expert fish-eating birds found near rivers, lakes and wetlands. Though they often live in same habitats, their fishing techniques are remarkably different because of the way their bodies and beaks are built. Cormorants are excellent divers built for speed and endurance underwater. They can dive deep up to 150 feet to chase fish. After grabbing, holding firmly the fish in its beak underwater, the cormorant swims upward using its strong webbed feet. It usually surfaces to finish swallowing, since large fish are hard to handle underwater. Cormorants always swallow the fish head first, so it flips the fish in the air and repositions it head first. This orientation allows the fins and scales to fold back smoothly, making it easier to swallow. The cormorant then swallows the fish in one gulp, aided by its flexible throat and muscular esophagus. You can often see the outline of fish moving down the bird's neck. After several dives and catches, the cormorant comes ashore or perches on a rock or a branch. Because water enters the feathers, cormorants get soaked easily, so they must dry their wings in the sun. That famous posture with wings spread wide. Drying restores feather flexibility and insulation before their next dive. In contrast, Indian darter is a graceful water bird known for its unique fishing style. It is an ambush hunter, relying on stealth, patience, and precision rather than speed. Also called snakebird, as it swims almost fully submerged, with only its long neck and sharp beak visible above water, which looks like a snake moving through the surface. Its non-waterproof feathers allow some water to soak in, which reduces buoyancy and help it stay submerged quietly. It uses its sharp pointed beak to spear fish like a harpoon. Darter dives are usually short, 15 to 30 seconds, and shallow, just enough to reach fish hiding below. It moves slowly, watching carefully before attacking. After catching the fish, it surfaces with the prey impelled on its beak. The darter then tosses the fish into the air and catches its head first to swallow it easily. Thus, while cormorant depends on power and pursuit, the darters succeed through stealth and accuracy, both perfectly evolved for their own fishing styles.